I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather as high pressure builds in from the west. Tomorrow is once again sunny and slightly cooler than usual with highs in the upper 60s to the low 70s. Northwest wind gusts increase to 30 tomorrow in behind a cold front. Those winds decreasing tomorrow evening but are likely to increase late tomorrow night. Could see some light rain in Nebraska and central Kansas tomorrow night through Friday with a disturbance. Friday is quite chilly with highs in the mid to upper 50s and north winds gusting between 30 and 40. A freeze or a hard freeze is likely Friday night when lows dip into the upper 20s to the low 30s. Frost is also possible Saturday night with lows of 35 to 40. A building ridge of high pressure warms our highs to the 60s Saturday and to the mid 70s to the low 80s for Sunday through Tuesday. The next rain chance not expected until Wednesday or Thursday of next week. The milder temperatures last for a while. Warmer than normal temperatures are likely Monday through October 17th for Nebraska and Kansas. During that time in central Nebraska, daytime highs are mostly in the upper 60s with average overnight lows right around 40. Rain chances are a little higher than previous forecasts with near normal to slightly below normal rainfall predicted in Nebraska and Kansas Monday through October 17th. Key weather factors driving the markets include cooling and warming temperatures in the U.S. with the risk of frost in the Corn Belt and heavy rain in southern Brazil. Low pressure over south central Canada drifts northeastward, helping to drag a cold front across the central and eastern U.S. Rain with the cold front is brief and mostly light, except for lingering heavy rain today in parts of the south central U.S. Across the plains and Midwest, the rain is increasing soil moisture for winter wheat establishment. The next storm may move through the plains and Midwest next week with some scattered rain. Much cooler air this week leads to late week freezes across parts of the northern plains and upper Midwest. This weekend, frost and scattered freezes should occur in the Midwest. In the western U.S., the warming trend begins before expanding to the east. New England needs to watch for the interaction between Tropical Storm Philippe, currently centered north of the U.S. Virgin Islands, and a cold front as tropical downpours and gusty winds could reach the northern Atlantic coast this weekend. In central Brazil, wet season rain continues and favors early crop establishment. Southern Brazil this weekend likely to see heavy rain again, increasing flooding concerns and the need to replant some early corn. Argentina's planting conditions are good, but more rain is needed to help with crop establishment. The next chance of rain in Argentina not until the middle of next week, and the latest forecast is not indicating widespread heavy rain that is needed. Overseas in northern Europe, there's isolated rain this early week with more rain expected in northeast Europe later this week and weekend. Otherwise, Europe's drier and warmer weather is favoring field work, but is decreasing soil moisture for winter wheat establishment. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.